The Professional Football Jamaica Limited, PFJL, has cast a doubt on whether a valid contract was ever in place between them and a former broadcast partner, Pivot LLC, following a claim filed by Pivot in the Supreme Court earlier this month. More in this report.
The looming legal dispute between the Professional Football Jamaica Limited (PFJL) and former broadcast partner Pivot LLC is taking shape, with the PFJL reportedly at odds over the existence and enforceability of a formal agreement. Although Pivot filed a claim in the Supreme Court seeking more than 100 million Jamaican dollars in damages for alleged breach of contract and related matters, a source with direct knowledge of PFJL's position says no such contract was ever finalized. The anonymous source said that Pivot's claim is based on a letter of commitment issued last summer, which indicated it was subject to the terms and conditions of a signed contract. The source added that the document was only meant to move negotiations forward. Despite that, Pivot proceeded to broadcast Jamaica Premier League matches up to October 19, 2025, and PFJL reportedly paid for all games produced during that period. Since then, PFJL has taken coverage in-house, streaming matches on its JPL TV platform on YouTube. But Pivot maintains it had a valid arrangement. Jermaine Brown reporting for TVJ Sports.